Welcome back, everyone. It was a bright but chilly Friday. Not quite as cold as yesterday or the day before, but still a little bit of a chill in the air, certainly, especially this morning. It was in the lower teens in most of the valley this morning. Time lapse from the Canfield Fairgrounds showing the deep blue skies we had out there today. And, you know, we're getting into the time of the year that no matter what the temperature is, if the sun is out, you're going to see some compaction and melting of any snow that is on the ground. The sun is getting stronger and stronger as we get deeper into February. The sun is as strong now, or it gets as high in the sky right now as it does in late October. Also, crystal clear skies across the region today gave us a great view of not only the snow on the ground, but the ice coverage on Lake Erie. This ice is starting to become more and more tenuous, and that process, of course, will continue over the next several days with lots of mild weather upcoming. And, you know, looking ahead at the longer range, this is today's 6 to 10 day outlook, 8 to 14 day outlook, and weeks 3 and 4 forecast from left to right on your screen. From the Climate Prediction Center, the temperature maps are up top, and all those orange colors across the eastern U.S., those are warmer than average temperatures favored in all three of these periods. Notice also the precipitation. It may be kind of an unsettled next several weeks with several chances for precipitation, maybe more in the form of rain than in the form of snow. Right now, officially at the Youngstown Warren Airport, just below freezing. We got up just a little above freezing this afternoon, but we are expecting temperatures to get not only above freezing, but above average from the weekend into next week. And tonight, not as cold as last night, 26 degrees. We'll have some clouds that push in later on this evening, but then clearing out later on tonight. As we head into the weekend, a weak front slips in from the north and especially well north of I-80. There could be some clouds around for a time during the morning and midday hours tomorrow, but no big deal there. It'll be partly to mostly sunny on average and just a fine Valentine's Day overall. Not as warm as maybe we would like it, but hey, we'll take this. 43 in the afternoon for tomorrow. I think Sunday will probably be a couple of degrees warmer than that. We haven't had a lot of very mild Valentine's days of late. Tomorrow should be the warmest since 2023. Lots of highs in the 20s and lower 30s over the last several years on Valentine's Day. Now, this storm is likely to miss us to the south as we go into Saturday night and Sunday. I think this model's too aggressive with the northward push of this rain. I think it gets up to about I-70 and probably no further north than that. And so we'll have some clouds from that system Sunday morning, but those clouds will clear out by Sunday afternoon, leaving us with a decent afternoon on Sunday. And temperatures continue trending in the right direction next week. President's Day is Monday. Could start out with some fog Monday morning. Otherwise, a mostly sunny sky for Monday. As we head towards midweek, it'll be cloudier, but it will also be warmer. We're talking 50 or better in some backyards as early as Monday, but certainly a lot of us get into the 50s on Tuesday. Maybe some rain showers then pushing in from time to time Tuesday night into Wednesday, and there could be a couple of showers lingering into the end of the week. But overall, the rain's not a big deal. The temperatures are the bigger deal next week.
Yeah.
We finally get a chance to thaw out, and I think the landscape will be a lot more brown by this time next week.
Good news, and we can wash our car this weekend.
Yes, indeed.
Finally time. All right, thank you so much.